4th of July. Oh, dude. 4th of July. 4th of July. Yes, 4th of July. 4th of July. Not stupid camera. Dude. Whoa. Whoa. What the heck? Here, fireworks. I hate this camera. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. There's a firework over there. 4th of July. 4th of July is the best holiday. Today is America's birthday. What? Oh my god. Bro, where are they? Where are those fireworks? Where are those? Where are they? Oh, whoa. Firework. There's a firework over there. See smoke over there. Can't see it. It's America's birthday. Where are the fireworks? Where are they? Oh. Don't see any fireworks. Well, where are the fireworks? Where? Oh my god. Why do we even live in this neighborhood where we don't even see any fireworks? What the hell? Did I just saw a tooth fairy? Okay, I just saw two fairies. Okay. Dude. Oh. Whoa. 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 Oh, jeez. 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 Oh. That is cool as shit. Dang. Dang, bro. Dang. Sorry, my cousin. He just got me distracted. God, my cousin's so annoying. My cousin's so annoying. Oh, where are the fireworks? I hate. Oh, why do we live in this neighborhood where we don't see fireworks? Like, I hate it. It's 2024. lining it up. I hate this camera so much. Whoa, whoa. Dude, that's sick. Whoa. That is sick. Oh my god. That is lit on fire. I can smell smoke. I can smell smoke, bro. It's smoking. I just smell like strawberries. Smells like that smoke smells like strawberries. Is that a tree on fire? Whoa. Whoa, I just saw a firework over there. I just saw a firework. I just saw a firework. Whoa! Dude, that is cool as sick. That's sick, man. Sick. Oh. Ooh. Where are the fireworks? What the heck? See a star. I hate those flip-flops. Why do I even have those flip-flops? Whoa, 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 where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Whoa. Where are they, dude? Are they? Where the frick are they? This video's almost done. It will be done for 3 minutes. I love 4th of July. July is so awesome. So awesome. Dude. Dude. Where is it? This is gonna be done for 2 minutes. I haven't been saying nothing. Where are they? Yeah, and also I got a new shirt, guys. Oh, Louis. Where are they? It's almost done. It's almost done, guys. We're going to be done for 3 minutes. So it's like 4 minutes. God, why am I itching? Itching.
I want to be able to see you, Wesley. And all I want to hear is yes, sir.
Okay. But anyway, guys, this video is almost done. So hit love and happy birthday to America, because we're celebrating it. It's America's birthday. So hit love. Oh, jeez. And hit love and also follow. So let's see ya. And I'll show you my shirt. And come on and do 5th. So see ya.